Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm excited to introduce you to Mesmerizing Belly Dance Foundations 1. First of all, we're going to start off with the basics, good posture and alignment, which are the foundations for all good belly dance moves. Then, you're going to learn 21 different moves, upper body, lower body, and with that, we're going to learn 7 different drill sets to lock in those learnings. Now I've also added some combinations in the different sections to combine upper body moves together, lower body moves together, and then at the end we have a challenge combination for you which will incorporate upper body and lower body within the same move group. And at the end of the course, I have an original dance choreography that you can learn, and it's to a variety of drum rhythms. So I think you'll find that very good, and that will put everything together for you. So are you ready to dance? Let's go!